Hi Crafty friends, Tammy Beard with Stampin' Savvy. Thanks for joining me for a sneak peek at the new January 2023 Class of the Month, featuring the beautiful framed florets stamp and die bundle. As you may know, each month I pick a favorite stamp bundle, design several projects around that, create tutorials, as well as a kit of supplies that I have used to make the cards, so that if you struggle with what to make or having all the coordinating supplies, I've done all the work for you. You can get straight to playing. So let's take a look at what's included in this month's kit. Let's start with the cards that you will be making. So this beauty right here has metallic accents, and we're combining all of these beautiful coordinating products, and it opens up to a beautiful message inside with the peekaboo heart die from that bundle. Beautiful card there for birthdays. And then this one is a masculine card. I'm going to show you how to get a little more mileage out of a floral stamp set. And this is actually a 3-for-1. I'm going to show you how to do 3 of these at one time. Here is one of the other specialty fun folds. So we've got that peekaboo here on the front, and then it opens up to another hidden message inside. Again, just look at all those beautiful metallic accents. Beautiful, beautiful birthday card to give away. This one's been designed to use up your scraps, so when you are finished, then it's a great way to put them to use to create a beautiful backdrop for, again, these beautiful frames. Beautiful metallic accents. You can see the sequins in use here. And again, birthday card, I send a lot of birthday cards. The nice thing is that with the bundle, there's a lot of different mix and match sentiments that you can use. And then the last card actually combines 2 different fun fold cards. So it's a joy fold, or like a mini card that opens up to a diagonal card. So fun one here. Again, we're going to put all of those pieces that we're going to be cutting to use. So let me share with you your different options. So the first option features and includes the framed florets stamp and die bundle, which is here, and oh my goodness, so much fun. So like I said, it's got lots of different sentiments that you can use that mix and match. Birthdays, thank yous, you could use this for anniversaries, weddings, lots of different things. There is a die for all 7 of the stamped line art images, but the star of the show is the 3 different frame dies that you get. These 2 each cut 2 pieces. So you get 1 piece cut in the frame, and then you have this inner oval piece. So they can be used together, they can be used separate, or they can mix and match. So for instance, this one is a little bit smaller than this one, so you can layer this one. And as you saw from the cards, that's that beautiful peekaboo. Then you've got the 7 dies for the stamped images, and then you have some extra accents. So 2 leaves. You'll notice they go in 2 different directions for symmetry. I love that. And then you've got this greenery sprig with some berries that makes a beautiful accent as well. Okay, so option 1 is going to include the stamp and die bundle. And then it's also going to include the kit of supplies that I have put together that has the goodies that were used to make all those cards. So 6 different colors of cardstock to coordinate with the beautiful pretty paper pack that you can see here. Lots of different floral images as well as some accent patterns. This pattern right here actually coordinates with one of the dies, and that was what you saw, for instance, on this card right here. This is just die cut. So very, very quick and simple, no coloring option. Put that designer paper to use. You're also going to get some specialty paper in gold and rose gold, 2 6x6 sheets. You get 12 sheets of the different designer papers, which is 2 of each. And then for some beautiful accents, I have brought in some silver and gold trim. And I'll bring back in this card right here. You can kind of see that I used it here, and it's also used on a couple of other cards. Then with option number 1, you get the bundle, you'll get the kit. It also includes 2 free gifts. So it's going to include the pastel adhesive back sequins that were used on the cards, beautiful embellishments for the flower centers. And then because it is celebration, you're going to get the sending support stamp set included also. So all of this is included in option 1. Now, if you've already maybe got this bundle and you just want the kit of the coordinating goodies so that you have everything in one place, then you would want option number 2, and then you would be using your own Stampin' Die bundle. And if you have maybe all of these and you just want the tutorials, those are available in option number 3. Now, pre-order for option 1 and option 2 will be January 10th through the 16th. It's 1 week only. All the information will be in the description. I would love to share this month's kit with you. Hours of crafty fun awaits. Thanks, crafty friends. Until next time, bye-bye.